Let's talk about the latest launched OPPO smartphone Reno 13 Pro with urban avant-garde aesthetic. Design. Now let's talk about the specifications of this smartphone. Firstly, talk about the display of this smartphone. This phone features with AMOLED quad-curved display, 6.83 inches Full HD, plus punch-hole display, resolution of 1272 by 2800 pixels, approximately 93.8% screen-to-body ratio, approximately 450 ppi pixel density, 1200 nits peak brightness, HDR10 plus color quality. Support, 120 Hz refresh rate, and with Corning Gorilla Glass 7 eye protection. And now talk about the camera of this smartphone. The smartphone with triple camera setup on the rear that includes 50 megapixel 24mm Sony IMX890 sensor wide-angle camera with aperture 1.8 and support optical image stabilization, along with 50 megapixel 85mm Samsung JN5 sensor 3.5x optical zoom telephoto camera with aperture 2.8 and support optical image stabilization, and with 8 megapixel 15mm Sony IMX355 sensor ultra-wide-angle camera with aperture 2.2. For selfies it has 50 megapixel 21mm Samsung JN5 sensor wide-angle front-facing camera with aperture 2.0, video recording maximum 4K at 30/60 fps on both rear and front camera. For the software, the handset turns on Android 15 operating system, based on exclusive optimized version of Color OS 15 screen on top the device. Under the hood, the phone CPU is octa-core 3.35 GHz single-core Cortex A715 plus 3.2 GHz tri-core Cortex A715 plus 2.2 GHz quad-core Cortex A510, powered by MediaTek Dimensity 8350 4nm chipset, paired with Mali G615 MC6 GPU. In terms of storage, the smartphone plugs with 12 GB of LPDDR5X RAM, with 12 GB of extended RAM, and 256 GB, 512 GB of UFS 3.1 onboard storage, no microSD card slot. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 162.73 by 76.55 by 7.55 mm, and it weighs around 195 grams, and the color options, graphite gray, plume purple colors to see in this smartphone, and the device comes backed by a massive 5800 mAh battery with 80-watt super VOOC fast charging support. Additionally, the smartphone also features optical under-display fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, with face unlock. The connectivity option on the phone includes dual SIM 5G, dual band Wi-Fi 6E, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, USB Type-C headphone jack, with dual stereo speakers support, USB Type-C charging port, infrared remote control support, IP66, IP68, IP69 dust and water resistant, and with multifunction NFC support. So now let's have a look at the pricing details of the smartphone. The OPPO Reno 13 Pro has been priced for 12 GB plus 256 GB storage variant at 49,999 Indian rupees, while 12 GB plus 512 GB storage variant at 219,999 Pakistani rupees. Conclusion. So what do you guys think of this OPPO Reno 13 Pro smartphone? Do let us know in the comments section below and subscribe for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.